Valvoline 10W30. 1 quart. I actually put 10W40 in here when I did the oil change a few months back for the run that thickness for the summer months. But we burn oil, we leak oil, so we gotta add oil. Well, we'll start her up, warm her up, see where we end up. Should have shown where it was prior. Obviously this is cold now, so it's not gonna be totally accurate, but it was at the number 1, the first add line. Yeah, now we're up higher. It was at the first add line, the end of this rag on the left here. So oh yeah, that's a lot better. Keep them running.